Good morning, my dear students. This is your Parita ma'am. I hope you all are fit and fine. Okay, children, tell me, do you remember all the alphabet you have learnt in your previous sessions of English? Yes? Do you practice it at home? Very good. Clap for yourself. So first we will revise all the alphabet you have already learnt and then I am going to teach you a new alphabet. Okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. This is alphabet A. Capital A, small a, Mama A, baby A. A for apple. This is alphabet B. Capital B, small b, Mama B, baby B. B for ball. What comes after B? C. Capital C, small c, Mama C, baby C. C for cat. What comes after C? D. Capital D, small d, Mama D, baby D. D for dog. What comes after D? E. Capital E, small e, Mama E, baby E. E for elephant. What comes after E? F. Capital F, small f, Mama F, baby F. F for fish. What comes after alphabet F? G. Capital G, small g, Mama G, baby G. G for grapes. What comes after G? H. Capital H, small h, Mama H, baby H. H for helicopter. What comes after H? I. Capital I, small I, Mama I, baby I. I for yummy yummy ice cream. What comes after I? J. Capital J, small j, Mama J, baby J. J for juice. Healthy, healthy juice. What comes after J? K. Capital K, small k, Mama K, baby K. K for kite. What comes after K? L. Capital L, small l, Mama L, baby L. L for lamp. What comes after L? M. Capital M, small m, Mama M, baby M. M for mango. What comes after M? N. Capital N, small n, Mama N, baby N. N for nest. What comes after N? O. Capital O, small o, Mama O, baby O. O for orange. Mama P, baby P. Capital P, small p, P for peacock. What comes after P? Q. Mama Q, baby Q. Capital Q, small q. Q for queen. Queen matlab Rani. What comes after Q? R. Mama R, baby R. Capital R, small r. R for rose. Comes after R, you know, children? S. This is alphabet S. S says sir. S says sir. The sound of alphabet S is sir. Now let's see some pictures related to alphabet S. Mama S, baby S, capital S, small s. S for sun. S for shirt. S for spoon. S for snail. S for scooter. S for sandwich. S for snake. S for squirrel. S for soap. S for shell. S for sofa. S for shoes. S for ship. S for swan. Now I will give you practice worksheet. Let's see the worksheet. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I make the sky look bright and beautiful. Children, you have to trace the outline of the star with crayon and fill your favorite color in it. You can do this practice work in your English class workbook on page number 26. Okay children, I hope you all enjoyed learning through my video. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, keep practicing. Bye-bye.